So ladies and gentlemen, good morning, and 28th, coming back to this music for a second. Gentlemen, good morning, 28th November 2025, and these manicured trees, this beautiful setting, this morning mist, and morning fun, and morning exuberance. Let's just deep dive and just try to see what else is here in the surroundings. Ladies and gentlemen, just hold on. I'll just show you something very, very important, very beautiful. There's only one man there, and then the sun is also coming behind the trees. So this is being watered, the grounds. There's some heat from the ground. Also, I recently saw some sort of some fog coming there from the ground. Also something I told you do you basan the basan that nasanchu at garam point. But then, ladies and gentlemen, enjoying the morning mist, enjoying the morning fog, enjoying this morning inspiration, and then the talk and the thought of the day. Two options. जय बजरंग हो जाए. आपका और हमारा यार सेम है. Green wala jacket, yeah, same. So ladies and gentlemen, the thought of the day is whether we need to be exclusive or we need to be inclusive. Inclusivity versus exclusivity, that is the topic and the thought of the day. I want to deep dive and see what is inclusivity and what is exclusivity. We are having two options, inclusivity and exclusivity. And what should we choose? Inclusivity means, ladies and gentlemen, inclusive, pour your love on each and everything around you. You just embrace the trees, embrace the earth, embrace the environment, embrace what and what not. Kan mein jan hai, kan mein shambhu hai. Each and the Hindu mythology and Hindu talk, Sanatan talk, they say each and every pebble, each and every stone is God. And we worship these stones, these pebbles like gods. That is the inclusivity of the Sanatan Dharma. That is the inclusivity of the Hindu Dharma. It shows that love thy neighbor, love each and respect each and every thing in this cosmos, and just pray and just do the satuti and the prayer and the puja of even the sun god. We say sun god. You have seen that in Chat Puja, they worship the sun god. That is the inclusivity of the Sanatan Dharma, of the Hindu Dharma. But then we have forgotten certain things. We tend to be exclusive from our relations, exclusive for our family, and exclusive for community, and exclusive for everybody else. And we try to be only with one pet. One pet is only 12 years of guaranteed love. Beyond 12 years, what will happen? So exclusivity is death. Exclusivity, ladies and gentlemen, is the disease of the mindset. By being exclusive, by being in your only rooms, and then in your cocoons, and then only within the four walls of our concrete habitats, homes, and being only with the TV, being only with the mobile, and then trying to be exclusive. Exclusivity, that means exclusivity it is the disease of the mindset. That is the first step to dementia, Parkinson, Alzheimer's, schizophrenia, so many. Name a disease, it will be there. And then what is the solution? Solution is inclusive life. Solution is be one with each and everything around you. And what a beautiful single word for all this that I'm just talking about, other than yoga. Yoga means union of the body with everything around you, union of the body, mind, soul, and everything else, and heart, and all your energy actions with the cosmos, with the universe. That is what is yoga. Yoga tells us, ladies and gentlemen, about the yoga tells us about to be inclusive, not to be exclusive. So that is the take of the day. That is the thought of the day. That is what I think like, and that is what I feel like. Be inclusive in life, not exclusive, because exclusive means next to the ailment and next to the disease of the mindset. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. God bless. Keep smiling, keep happy, and keep joyous, and keep exuberant. Let's just see this one also. Beautiful. Yeah, it's behind this. The music of the morning, the thrill of the morning. Be inclusive with the music. Thank you. God bless. Jai Ho.